Hi, in this new session, we will learn about insertion at beginning of singly linked list. So let's begin. So here, we are initially given a linked list with head at 2. Now we want to insert an element x equals to 5 at the beginning of the linked list. So what will be the output? Our output will be the element 5 inserted at the front, and now our head will point to 5. In the second example, we are given a single node with head at 10. This is the first and the last node only. So if we insert x equals to 5 at the beginning of the linked list, a new linked list will have 5 at the beginning and head will point to 5 here. Now in the third example, we are given a empty linked list and we want to insert an element 5. So in the output, we will have a new node with 5 as the element in the linked list, and head will also point to this 5 only. Now let's see the basic implementation. Here, node is of structured data type. This is similar to what we learned in our previous sessions. So now let's move to the main function. At first we created head and initialized it with null. So head is created and it is initialized with the null. Now we call the insert value at begin function, where we passed head and 2 as an input argument. It creates a linked list or insert an element at the beginning of the linked list and returns the head of the new linked list. So here 2 will be inserted in the linked list and head will represent to 2 only. After that we call insert value at begin function for head and 3, which will again now insert the value 3 at the beginning of the linked list and return the head of the new linked list. Now at the fourth line, we will call insert value at begin function at head and 4. It will again insert element 4 at the beginning of the linked list and return the new head. Now this is the insert at begin function, which takes head and value as input argument and returns the pointer to the new head. So before looking the implementation of this function, I suggest pause this video and first try to implement by yourself, then look the code. So now let's see the basic implementation of insert at begin function, which take head and value as input argument and return pointer to our new head. So at first we allocate memory for the new node. So let's allocate it. Now we store the pointer to it in a variable called as temp. Once we have allocated the new node and we have a hold of it in temp variable, we will simply do temp of next as head. After that, we will return temp as the new head of the linked list. So this is the basic implementation. Let's check it. So we are getting output at 432, which matches with our correct output. So I assume that you got the logic here. Now let's see the dry run. So let's look the implementation. Here first head is initialized as null. Now we call insert value at begin function and pass head and 2 as argument. So here first new node will be created, initialized with value 2 and null. Now temp of next is head. So at temp next, head will be overwritten, so null will be overwritten only because our head was null initially. Now we will return temp, so this will be returned as the head of the new linked list. So head, so finally here head will point to 2. Now in the third line we pass head and 3, so again new node will be created with value 3 and null. Now temp of next will point to head. So what will our linked list look like now? So this will be the required linked list after second line. Now we simply return temp. So after this line our head will point to 3. So let's see how linked list look like. So our linked list will look like this. Now we call insert value at begin function and we pass head and 4 as the input argument. So here new node again will be assigned to 4, which will initially stored as null, and temp will point it here. Now temp of next is head. So let's see how will our linked list look like. Now our linked list will look like this. In the very next line we are returning temp, so our new head will point to 4 only. So let's see. So our new linked list will look like this, with head as the starting node and 2 as the ending node. So I hope you get the logic of insert and begin function. If you have any doubt, please comment below. We will try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you.